Some breaking news right now coming out of Weston. That's where an FBI raid is underway at a mansion there. Local 10's Andrew Perez is joining us from Weston. Andrew, what's happening out there?
Well, we know the FBI keeping things under wraps, at least right now, but a lot of activity going on at a home here in this gated community. This is the Windmill Reserve in Weston. Let's get you right up to Sky 10, though, for a better look at this investigation. We've been watching for quite some time now as federal agents have been going in and out of this very large home. What specifically they're looking for is still unclear, but records show that this home, it goes back to Walter Ventimiglia. He's a well-known mortgage broker and insurance agent, the president also of Worldwide Capital Lending Group. We actually have a photo of him as well. Haitian authorities believe that he may have funded those people who played an active role in the assassination of Haiti's president, Jovenel Moise. They say money to fund that plot flowed through his company, but his attorney had been saying that his client actually just brokered a loan to fund a peaceful transfer of power and not what actually transpired. An FBI representative released a statement to us just a short time ago. It says in part, quote, "I can confirm the FBI and HSI are conducting court-ordered law enforcement activity in the vicinity of the area. The affidavit in support of the search warrant has been sealed by the court," going on to say that they can't release many more details right now. We're still working this story. We're working our sources as well. As soon as we have any new information, we'll have it for you right here on Local 10 News. That's the latest, though, in Weston. I'm Andrew Perez. Back to you.